Hey everyone, so if you're trying to export your resume from Zety but it's not working, like the download button is stuck or the file won't generate, yeah, that can be really annoying. But don't worry, I'll walk you through simple fixes step by step. First, make sure you're selecting the correct export option. PDF and Word downloads are usually premium features, while text export may be available depending on your plan. Next, refresh the page. Sometimes the export process just freezes, and a simple reload fixes it instantly. Now try logging out and logging back in. This resets your session and can fix export glitches. Okay, next, clear your browser cache and cookies. I mean, old stored data can sometimes block exports from working properly. If it still doesn't work, try switching to another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Some export features work better on specific browsers. Next, disable extensions like ad blockers. These can sometimes block export scripts or downloads. If nothing works, open Zety in incognito mode. This avoids cached data and extension conflicts. And finally, it might be a temporary server issue. If Zety's export system is down, you just need to wait and try again later. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve your Zety export issue so you can download your resume without any problems.